All right, everybody. So what we are going to be doing today is some wax stamping. So I'm not sure if you've seen those videos where everybody gets the different waxes and they put them in the spoon, pour them on the surface, and then stamp them. But we're going to go ahead and do that today. We'll go ahead and give it a try. We're going to be using this stamp. It is a dove holding what's presumed to be an olive leaf. Very pretty stamp. Thinking about using this stamp for my fiance and I's wedding invitation. So we're going to go ahead and give it a try and see what happens. All right, so first I'm going to go ahead and load up this little spoon here. Let's put that there. So what do I want to try first? Let's put some yellow in. Yellow is nice with a little bit of this kind of red color. Maybe some shiny pink. And oh no. Well, yeah. And we'll do some silver. Let's see what this looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and light our tea candle over here. There we go. We're in business. So we'll move that a little bit closer here. We have various surfaces that we're going to be using here, including sealing up this envelope. So the very end, we'll go ahead and seal up a proper envelope. But for now, we're gonna do a couple of practice, guys. So just gonna heat this up here. So we have our melted wax here. We're gonna go ahead and put this down. Just mix it a little bit with the back of my paintbrush while it's still hot, of course. There we go. Kind of got a swirl in there. And now we are gonna go ahead, oh, not that one. We're gonna go ahead and pour it on our surface. So we have all these colors, so we're gonna do a couple of these. Okay. So we go ahead and pour. And then we take our stamp. Just gonna go ahead and press it on there. And pull it off. It's kind of hard to see with this color combination, but we have what appears to be our dove. So let's go ahead and try a different color combination. That one was pretty cool, but we're gonna want to try something where the dove shows up maybe a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash off my spoon and then heat up a brand new spoonful of wax. All right, everyone, we have our spoon here nice and clean. We're gonna try a different selection of colors. So the last one was a little bit too dark, didn't quite mix well, kind of, I don't know, tie-dye-ish. Well, that would work with a normal stamp. Didn't really work well with our dove stamp that we have here. So we're gonna go ahead and choose some light colors. I'm gonna pick 2 of these whites, stick them on my spoon. 1 of these shiny greens. You know what, we'll just pick up this light pink as well. So let's just go all light this round. Come on, come here. I'm gonna do 1 pink. So we have 1 light pink, 1 green, and 1 white. So let's go ahead and put this under our candle. And let's watch that melt. going to go ahead and mix this one again with the back of a paintbrush. Give it a real quick heat again. All right, I'm going to place this down here. Oh, I'm spilling. All right. Give it a little quick twirl. All right, this one, I hope I didn't overheat too much because it looked like it was about to bubble, but we're gonna go ahead and pour right here. We'll take our stamp and give it a nice quick press. I'll let that sit there for a second, just so it cools just enough. All right, I'm gonna lift this one off. And there we go. That one looks much better. It's a little wet there at the end, but where the stamp is, you can definitely see that it is indeed that dove. Look at that detail. Great colors too. For this next project, we're gonna go ahead and seal this envelope. I've already put some blue, silver, and yellow in our spoon. We're gonna go ahead and melt it. So this one I'm not going to mix. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it as it is and see what happens. So I have this, feels like it's ready. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour it right here on our envelope here. Now real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the stamp. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and lift this one off. I've given it some good minute to cool. Ooh, and there we go. Kind of over poured a little bit there. We got this little flag of wax, but we can pick that off real quick. Best while it's not completely cool. There we go. We have our dove. So fun thing about these waxes, you can make these fun color combinations. Here were our first two that we made. Go ahead and bring them up closer. And then our lighter one that we made. That one's really pretty. It's almost like a jewel. So these are our 3 doves. So I hope you enjoyed the wax stamps. We'll go over techniques in our next video. Maybe make some really cool colors. Thank you for watching.